Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of landscaping. Whether you're looking to transform your backyard, front yard, or even a small corner of your garden, I've got you covered with some amazing landscaping tricks and tips to take your outdoor space to the next level. Let's get started. First things first, always start with a plan. Visualize your space and sketch out ideas for plant beds, pathways, focal points, and other elements you want to include. Think about the layout, sun exposure, and which areas get more shade. Planning saves you time, money, and prevents common landscaping mistakes. One of the best ways to make your garden look professional is to layer your plants. Place taller plants or shrubs at the back, medium-sized plants in the middle, and shorter plants or ground covers at the front. This not only adds depth, but also makes the garden look fuller and more dynamic. Creating a focal point draws the eye to a specific area and gives your landscaping design a sense of purpose. Focal points can be anything from a unique tree, a water fountain, a large rock, or a garden statue. Choose something that stands out but also complements the overall style of your garden. Mulch is your landscaping friend. It not only looks great, giving your garden a polished look, but also helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Organic mulches like bark chips or compost are ideal, as they break down over time, adding nutrients to the soil. A great landscape design plays with texture and color to keep things visually interesting. Mix plants with different leaf textures and colors, like pairing feathery grasses with bold, broad-leafed plants or combining purple foliage with vibrant greens. This contrast adds depth and makes the landscape pop. Don't forget about lighting. Adding lights along pathways, around trees, or highlighting garden features can completely transform your outdoor space at night. Solar lights are an eco-friendly option, and you can find them in various styles to match your theme. Hardscapes like paths, stone borders, and seating areas add structure and functionality to your garden. They provide a nice contrast to the greenery and flowers, and they help guide visitors through the space. Use materials like stone, brick, or gravel to create durable and visually appealing paths and edges. Choosing native plants is a great landscaping trick because they're adapted to your local climate and soil, making them easier to care for. They usually require less water, fertilizer, and pesticides. Plus, native plants attract local pollinators like bees, butterflies, and birds. A win-win for the environment and your garden. If you have limited ground space, don't forget about the vertical. Use trellises, vertical gardens, or even hanging pots to maximize space and create a unique, layered look. Climbing plants like ivy, jasmine, or even vegetables like tomatoes and cucumbers work great for adding height and filling empty wall space. Who doesn't love a beautiful garden that doesn't require constant upkeep? Opt for slow-growing shrubs, drought-resistant plants, and low-maintenance ground covers. This way, you spend less time weeding, watering, and pruning, and more time enjoying your garden. Plan for year-round beauty by incorporating plants with different seasonal interest. Spring and summer are easy, but think about adding fall foliage plants or evergreens for winter. This ensures your garden looks lively and beautiful no matter the season. Finally, add personal touches to make your garden uniquely yours. Small accents like bird baths, wind chimes, or even a garden sign can reflect your personality and make the space feel inviting. Remember, your landscape should bring you joy every time you step outside. And there you have it, my top landscaping tricks and tips for creating a stunning garden space. Whether you're just starting out or looking to revamp an existing garden, I hope these ideas inspire you to get out there and start designing. Let me know in the comments which tips you'll be trying first, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy landscaping!